General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.4.1 Disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, we should be good to go. Friday, the 10th. Anchor point is confirmed. It's Tuesday. No expansion today. Terminus hit today. No daily delivery log. I don't know. I feel like the market waiting for the Strait of Hormuz still. That's the execution chart. Go to the planning. So we tested this OB today. Kind of chopped that previous month's high. Didn't close. And didn't retrace either. Not a classic profile. Price decoupled. ICT spoke on it when ES and Dow and NASDAQ don't match. Is excuse me. Yes. Messy price section. So let's look at the H1. Kind of a nothing day lackluster, just sideways. Nothing day for Friday. Nasdaq on the daily. Okay, we do have a close above this high, which I think is significant. We have a body, so those stops are officially grabbed. This is a wick. Price cleared out the equal highs. Premium. It's like a SPX. Hold up. There we go. And took out this whole weekly high and just chopped all day here, but we actually got a New York reversal here. We took out this low. All this S&T is giving me distribution vibes. And we actually took out London low, another S&T, sign of distribution. Yeah, let's go here. H1. And we can see how we played around these quadrant levels as well. TGIF target unmet. Yeah, it's interesting. Sideways It was just that week I wanted to look at, but now that that's gone, on the S&T here as well. Thursday took out Wednesday high, but on Nasdaq, Friday took out Wednesday high. Let's go to the stocks. Stocks probably ain't doing nothing. 30. Just took the high and came back in the range. And it's a CPI day, which is interesting. Nothing day on SPY. Let's see if we close the down day. We did. No, we closed the down day. Stocks we closed down day. I would not classify it as a news failure. Just because futures ended green. I would rather see both stocks and futures agree on news failure. Defense. Both. Alright, let's look at QQQ. Nothing day. And today I did engage TGIF. Got 2 losses. Trying to get the sale there. There. It's just a choppy day. Framework play out. No, expecting TGIF. No follow through on trade idea. Do we learn about pattern? Decoupling and when markets are off. It's best to leave them alone. Well, I watch for that. I need to fix that. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good good day. Peace.